Assalamualaikum, welcome to Banglama. Today I will be cooking king prawn with spinach. It's called sag prawn. It's one of the main dishes or side dish in Indian restaurant. So first of all, here in a pan I've had a tablespoon of oil and added 2 medium-sized chopped onions, and after frying the onions I've added water just to make the paste. You can use blended onions, then you don't need to do that big. You can skip that big if you use onion paste. And then on the onion paste I've added the prawns, and I will be cooking that prawns for about 15 minutes. Because I bought prawns that pre-cleaned, so I didn't have to clean it, take the shell out. So there's 700 grams of prawn I'm cooking and is cleaned. Now after 15 minutes I will be adding the spices. Here I have the powder spice. So because I like Madras strength, I'm adding 2 spoons of chilli powder and a half spoon of turmeric powder and 1 spoon of coriander powder and half spoon of cumin powder. So once the prawn are cooked or half cooked, then I will be adding the spices, the powder spices I have. And make sure you stir so it doesn't burn or stick to the pan. I will cook in with the spices for another 10 more minutes. Please subscribe to my channel with bell icon on so you get the notification every time I upload a new recipe. And don't forget to like, share and comment your opinion. And while the prawn is cooking, I will get my spinach ready. So first of all, there is 350 grams of spinach. Packet 1 I have. Spinach needs to be washed clearly and drain the water. So I'm just washing, and if there's any rotten leaves or that's discolor, I throw them away. Just make sure we have the fresh green leaves cleaned and drained to be added to the prawn. So now that's all cooked, I'm just draining, and then I'm just going to add this to the prawn. And then I will cook for further 10 minutes just so that leaves will cook. After 10 minutes you can see the leaves has decreased. So now my sag prawn is ready. Now I've just chopped some garlic cloves just for tarka. So at the beginning I did not add the garlic, so it gives different and nice flavor if added at the end. So I will fry the garlic until it's brown and then add this mixture on top like a garnishing. So that gives a different flavor. Ingredients is in description box. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this dish.